Okay, this is a simultaneous chapter 4, simultaneous equation. Today I'm going to discuss chapter 4, simultaneous equation. It's a very simple mathematics chapters, and normally you will have one or more equation inside your questions. Let's say I give you an example. You have a linear equations, x plus y equals to 4, and maybe you will have a quadratic or quartic the power of 3 equation, y maybe y squared equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1. So the question may ask, okay, what is the value of x and y? What is the value? So this is the format of the simultaneous equation. Not much, totally no formula, and what we call that, not much details you need to remember. In exam, you just need to do it well. You just substitute the equation inside from here to here, and then you find out what is the value of x and y. Okay, so for first question, I just give you an example for first question. For first question, let's say you have let me check the books 4x plus y, 4x plus y equals to 1, and then you have another one 2x squared minus xy plus y equals to 0. Okay, so this is the two equation. So we need to find out what is the value of x, and y. Okay, to solve this, we actually can use the linear equation to try to what we call that, rewrite the form of the linear equation. The first one, you rewrite y equals to 1 minus 4x. When your 4x is moved to the right hand side, then become positive, become negative, and you have a first equation. And of course, this one you can label as your second equation. So substitute equation 1 into 2. Okay, 1 into 2. So you have 2x squared minus x 1 x times y. 1 minus 4x, then plus y equals to 0. Y is 1 minus 4x equals to 0. And from here, keep expand. 2x squared minus x. Minus x, here you need to be careful. Minus x, negative x, times negative 4x plus 4x squared. And plus 1 minus 4x equals to 0. Normally, what students or people will make mistake in the simultaneous equation is they keep count wrong when doing the substitution. So as long as you perform a correct substitution and calculation, then your answer should be correct. Okay, so 2x squared plus 4x squared, 6x squared. Then of course here you already what we call that, perform the calculation. Minus x minus 4x minus 5x. Then you left what? You left plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so from here, this is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, and you can expand 2x, 3x. Then because here is a minus, So minus 1 times 1. Then you can see 2x times minus 1 minus 2x minus 3x then equals to 5x also tally. So equals to 0. So moving here, your x equals to 2x. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Or 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So you perform the calculation, x is half or x is 1/3. Not yet done. You only get the x value. Then what is y value? So easy. You y equals to 1 minus 4x. For x equals to half. So 1 minus 4 half equals to 1 minus 4 half minus 1. When your x is equals to half. Another one, y equals to 1 minus 4 1/3. So you get what? 3/3 equals to 1. You try to make it become a fractional number. Then minus 4/3. So you get minus 1/3. Okay, so this one is when x is 1/3. Okay, so if you want to write in a simple form, so this is how you write it. X equals to 1/3, 1/3. So 1/3. So your y is minus negative 1/3. So x equals to half. Your y is minus 1. So this is the answer for first question, the simultaneous equation. Okay, for question number 2, you have same two equation. One is linear, y minus x equals to 1. And another one is x minus y squared equals to minus 4. Okay, so this one is the first equation. Let's say I just put in this way. So what is your value x and y inside this simultaneous equation? And the question asks, write your answer for x and y value in 3 decimal places. So first, always tackle the linear equation. That means no power one. That means you use this. The first one, rewrite the form y equals to x plus 1. Okay, so y equals to x plus 1, then you put 3 here. So I will try to substitute. You should do it. You should substitute 3, the equation 3, into equation 2. After that, what you get is x minus y squared equals to minus 4. So your x should be equals to minus y squared, x plus 1 squared, then equals to minus 4. Okay, x minus x plus 1 squared expand. It means x plus 1 times x plus 1. Then what you get is x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to minus 4. And this has been taught in the previous lecture, the quadratic, chapter 2, the quadratic equation. So x minus x squared, negative times positive, then become negative, minus 2x, minus 1 equals to minus 4. Okay, so because I don't like the negative here, so maybe I can try to move the left-hand side to right-hand side. So move all the things into the right-hand side, you get x squared. Okay. Okay, now what we do x minus 2x. Never mind, we just try to move all the things, go to the right-hand side first. X squared plus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 4 equals to 0. That means left-hand side, whole thing, the 4 terms move to the right-hand side. And you get x squared, right, 2x minus x, right, plus x, then plus 1 minus 4, negative 3 equals to 0. Okay, no matter how you see this equation, you will know you know that you are very hard to factorize, and also the question gives you the hints. Write your x and y into the 3 decimal places. Means that this cannot using factorization or even the completing the square inside the quadratic equation. So you can use the quadratic formula. So x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So your a, x squared is 1. Your b also 1. C minus 3. Because ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So using this, we call that the format. Okay. X is equals to minus 1 plus and minus square root 1 square minus 4 1 and minus 3 and divided by 2 1. So you will have minus 1 plus and minus 1 square minus 4 times negative 4 times negative 3, 12. So square root 1 plus 12 divided by 2. So also equals to minus 1 plus and minus square root 13 over 2. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so let me check. So using the calculator, minus 1 plus square root 13 over 2. Then it's a 1.0, 1.3 is x is equals to, if it's a minus 1 plus square root 13 divided by 2, so it's a 1.303. And if x equals to minus 1 minus square root 13 over 2. Let me check. So it should be minus 2.303. And also substitute inside y equals to x minus 1. Y equals to, when x is 1.303. 1.303 x plus 1 plus 1. So is 2.303. And another way. So I put what we call it, I put a semicolon here, semicolon, semicolon, and then semicolon. Well, so y is equals to minus 2.303 plus 1. So it's equals to negative 1.303. So this is the value for x and y. Inside this question 2, the simultaneous equation. So for the answer, you can say the solution are x equals to 1.303. Then you have y equals to 2.303. And x equals to minus 2.303, then y equals to minus 1.303. So this is how you will solve question number 2, the simultaneous equation for these two. Okay, for question number 3, solve simultaneous equation. You have two equation. Of course, this one is linear, and another one y over x plus 5x over y equals to 6. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. Let me check the equation, see whether it's correct or y was equals to 6, x minus 1. So to solve this, first rewrite the equation. Equation 1. Your x, you move minus 1 minus 2y to right hand side, equals to 1 plus 2y. So this is your third equation. Okay, if you only have this one, then you see this is quite you just see this one, you see is quite complicated. Actually, if you know how to simplify it, then you will see the another form of this equation. So also still same, rewrite the second equation to new equation. New equation. And of course here we can merge together. That means you make it become y over x plus 5x over y. So y over x plus 5x over y equals to 6. The whole thing, actually, you can use the factor x times y. So times xy. And you can see here your x, y. So this one you times xy, then become y squared. We always Actually, you can do it in this way. If you want to know how to do it, times adjacent, multiplication adjacently, y times y, 5x times x becomes 5x squared. Because you times xy here, then this one times xy become y squared. This one times xy become 5x squared. Then equals to 6. And you will get later you will get y squared. Here you can, this one you can move to right hand side. Divide becomes multiplication. Division becomes multiplications plus 5x equals to 6xy. Okay. Then this is your new equation 4. So substitute x equals to 1 plus 2y into equation 4. This is equation 3. So you get what? Okay, y squared remain the same plus, sorry, I forget to put a square here, plus 5, 1 plus 2y squared equals to 6x 1 plus 2y times y. Okay, 6 1 plus 1 times y. So keep it on, y squared plus, okay, 5, 1 plus 4y. Expand it, actually it's 1 plus 2y times 1 plus 2y plus 4y squared equals to 6 times 1 times y, 6y plus 6 times 2y times y, 12y squared. But you get this, and then y squared plus 5 times 4, 20y plus 20y squared equals to 6y plus 12y squared. Okay, from here, you move this right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, maybe I like the y square here be positive, so I move the left hand side to right hand side. Depends on see how you want to perform the calculation. So 20y squared plus y squared 21 minus 12, you have 9y squared. You see, y squared 20, 21, right here, and then plus 20y minus 6y, 14y, then plus 5 equals to 0. And okay, so because you have plus here, and then you know that actually you see 9 plus 5 equals to 14. So I will use, actually you can use 3y, but 3y plus times 5 plus 5 times y, that means 5y is 19y. So definitely not correct. But this one, this quadratic equation sure can be factorized out. So I use 9y times y. Okay, so because it's a plus, definitely here also be addition and not be subtraction. Plus, okay, here 5, then 1. You see, 9y times 1, 9y plus 5 times y, 14y. So definitely match tally. So equals to 0. And your y is, okay, now 9y minus plus 5 equals to 0, or y plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, the y is minus, sorry, the y is 5/9, or y equals to -1. Okay, so you have the answer for y. And now what we need to do is substitute back here. So x equals to 1 plus 2 minus 5/9. So it's equals to, okay, 9/9 minus 10/9 is equals to minus 1/9. Or, okay, sorry, or x equals to 1 plus 2 minus 1 equals to 1 minus 2. So it's equals to minus 1. So okay, so maybe I just put it here, the answer. So the solution is x equals to what? Equals to minus 5/9. Then sorry, x equals to minus 1/9, and your y is minus 5/9, and x equals to minus 1. Your y equals to wait, let's see, y equals to minus 1 also. So this is the answer for question number 3. Well, that's all. So this is the answer for question number 3.
Press like, share and subscribe button if you like this video.